Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today's video is going to be my recent beauty favorites that I want to recommend to you guys. I have a lot of makeup and skincare items that I genuinely have really been liking, and I wanted to show you guys them because I felt like it was a good video to do. So I don't want to make this intro too long. Let's just go ahead and get into this video. So let's just start off with skincare. So the first item is the Chanel LeBlanc Intense Brightening Foam Cleanser. This is the biggest size that they have. It's like 150 milliliters. I'm not sure how many sizes they have, but I just got the biggest one. I want to just say that this is so good. It's definitely like probably the best cleanser I've ever used. After I finished washing my face with this cleanser, I just feel like my skin looks so bright in terms of like whitening. It just goes up by like a shade color, if that's dramatic. I'm not really sure, but or if I'm just hallucinating when I wake up, and it smells so good. It just smells amazing. And my mom used this too, and she said that like it's very easy to wash off. It rinses off super easily. It's not gonna leave your skin super dry after you use it. So I don't know, like I just feel like it's like, what else do you want from a cleanser? So I definitely recommend this, and it's humongous, so bang for your buck, right? So the next item is this Origins Original Skin Essence Lotion with Dual Ferment Complex, and I've actually had this like a super long time ago, and I repurchased it recently. Great for after when you wash your face and you want to moisturize your face right away. This is a great product to go for because it definitely does the job. And if you guys are looking for a good essence, like I recommend this. I'm gonna link all the products mentioned in the description box so you guys can check them out. It's not affiliated or anything. This is the Kiehl's Ultra Facial Cream. This is just a huge tub of it. This is such a bang for your buck. I definitely recommend this if you guys are looking for a perfect summer lightweight moisturizer. This is super good. It's like the perfect moisturizing level for this type of weather, like 28 to like 30 degrees, especially at night. Like it feels great on your skin. It's not gonna feel super thick. I feel like for the winter time though, you guys should like try to opt in for like a thicker moisturizer, but as for now, I feel like this is perfect. And so you're getting 125 milliliters of product. Like this is a big jug. So the last skincare item I have to show you guys is this 3D mask. It's really good. As for all these products, it's amazing. I keep saying that. Is this mask? Oh my God. This mask, I really like the serum in this mask. I find that it's very like thick and it moisturizes my skin for like a longer period. I still do it for like 20 to 25 minutes, but then other masks that I use are like liquidy. Like the serum is very liquidy, and it feels like once I take it out of the packaging, it's like dripping everywhere, and once I put it on my face, like dries out very fast. And I just feel like it's not moisturizing my dry skin as well as this one is. This, like the texture of this is like very thick. They have a couple different colors. I got the pink one because I like pink. I don't really know the use of it, but definitely give it a go if you want to try out some new masks. Great product. I can't link that one down below. So yes. Ooh. Let's get into the makeup items. So let's just jump into the makeup items now. I'm gonna talk about the like face products first, and then eyes, and then lips. Best for last. This is the Too Cool Art Class by Rodin blush. I also really like the contour for this. I think it's like the perfect contour. I hit pan on that, so it's like really gross to show you. I think most people know the Too Cool Art Class bronzer contour, but not many people have tried the blushes, and I really like it. I've always had this, but I never really gravitated towards it, and then I tried it out like last week, and I just really like it, and I've been using it. It looks a little bit scary in the pan because it looks super yellow, but like trust me, it's like a really beautiful peach. It looks really nice for like a cute kind of summer blush. Okay, I really don't know the color. Like it doesn't say. Just get the coral one. I'm not sure if there's like another shade or something. This is the Sigma Aura Powder in the color Nymphea, and it's such a big packaging for this. Okay, yeah. Again, it looks super intimidating, but like on your face, it is not this color. These colors work really well if your skin is a little bit like paler, and these look really nice for the under eye blush here, if you will, like here. And then I have two ColourPop Super Shock Cheek highlights. I feel like these are really popular 2 years ago, but then I grabbed them out again, and I feel like why haven't I used them as much? So I have this one in the color Lunch Money, and then this is in the color Flexitarian. I like Lunch Money a little bit more because it's a little bit more natural for my skin tone. Oh my God, you guys can't even see probably. So that is what the color looks like. It's just like a pale yellow gold. And then I have the color Flexitarian, and this is more of a pearly, pinky highlight. So that's Flexitarian, and that's Lunch Money. You can't even see. Okay, you can kind of see Flexitarian. I think I might just leave this light on to make it a little bit better for swatches. So I have a couple eye products to show you guys, 4 or 5. So let's just get into it. So the first 2 products are from ColourPop again. This is the Super Shock shadow in the color Birthday Girl. It is an ultra glitter shadow. That's what it looks like in the pot. That's the color. Can you see it? So it's a very nice, natural, glittery color. So the next product is the ColourPop Going Coconuts eyeshadow palette. Glitters are actually so pretty. Like if you just use a little bit on your eyes, like it's really nice. So I have a couple shadows that I love to use. I love to use the top 6. These colors are so amazing. That color looks great on like your eyelid, and this color looks great in your inner corners. They're super pigmented, glittery shadows. So those are the 2 glitters that are super sparkly. That is the matte brown, but pretty much all these colors are like insanely pigmented. 2 more eye products. This is just a MAC single shadow. This is in the color Omega. I love it. Like it's just so amazing, so versatile, and I think it's just like the perfect cool tone brown for nose contouring. So this color is great for like eyeshadow. Like I love using this every single day. Like you would think I have like palettes and like eyeshadows, I would like use those, but like this is what I use, and it's just the perfect all-in-one. If you guys are looking for a good kind of creased color for your eyes and a nose contour, definitely check out MAC Omega because it's a beautiful eyeshadow. Great, I love it. This is the Shu Uemura like eyeshadow, what's it called? Eyelash curler. I just got a new one and I wanted to talk about how clean it is. Like I had like this Etude House one from high school that I've used all the way up until now, and not saying it's bad, but like this clean one is so amazing. This is this is the mascara I have been using, and it's a great product. This is from Heroin Make. I think it's a Japanese brand. I did get a couple of their eyeliners when I was in Hong Kong. It's from Japan because my family friend brought it back for me. So that's the outside packaging. Actual mascara is amazing. This is called the Volume Control Mascara. I don't know what's mine set on right now, like the most natural maybe. That's what the wand looks like, and it just like is a very generic mascara wand. It lengthens my lashes, which I don't really have any already, and it like voluminizes it, like it adds a lot more volume while lengthening it without clumping. It doesn't smudge underneath my eyes. So many mascaras smudge, but this hasn't smudged. Like it might be waterproof, but it's like not super hard to take off either. So this is a great product if you guys are looking for a new mascara. 5 products, lip products to show you guys. This is the 3CE Style Nanda Velvet Lip Tint. I bought this from Style Nanda and it's in the color Going Right. So that's what it looks like. It's just like a beautiful red. And I just feel like this particular color looks great all seasons. Formula is like a satin velvet. So on your lips, it feels amazing. So I love that. This is a Moonshot lip product. This is from, I think like Blackpink and YG or something. This is the Cream Paint Stain Fit, but this is a like orangish coral. So that's what this product looks like. Sometimes can wash you out. You don't have to put on like a thick layer, just like put on a little bit on your lips and then use a Q-tip to blend it out and it looks great. Now the next one is from Peripera. This is the Airy Ink Velvet and this is in the color number 07. Yeah, this is in the 07 color. Okay, so this color honestly just looks like a mix between the 2 colors I showed you earlier. The packaging is like a little egg or something. It's like super cute. So that's what the Peripera one looks like. As you can see, it just looks like a mix of the other 2. The thing in common for all these products is their formula. It's like my favorite velvet blendable formula. So if you guys like that type of formula as well, then you can definitely check out some of these products. So these are the last 2 products. This is the ColourPop Ultra Blotted Lip in the color Doozy. I love the Ultra Blotted lips, like way better than the Ultra Mattes because they're just so easy to blend out and comfortable on your lips. Beautiful cherry apple red. It looks pretty similar to the 3CE shade. So if you guys don't have access to 3CE, then I recommend ColourPop Doozy. This is the Lancome L'Absolu Lacquer in the color number 356. I really like this color because it's like a nice rosy purpley pink, but it creates this beautiful glazed finish on your lips. So that is what 356 looks like. It looks very similar to YSL's like new lip stains in the shade 316, which is my favorite lip product ever. So yeah, this is like a lip glossy version. That's what it looks like. I was wearing it today. I have to touch up, but I recommend it. So that's the end of the video. Thank you guys so much for watching. I had a really fun time filming it. I forgot how fun like filming and talking about makeup items are. So if you guys like this video, then give it a thumbs up and I will probably film more of these in the future if you guys are interested, obviously. Don't forget to follow me on my social media. They're always linked in the description box along with the links to all the products that I mentioned today. Thank you guys so much for watching and I hope you guys have a great day or night wherever you guys are, and I will talk to you guys in another video. Bye guys. Mwah.